So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I go by the name King Gisla, and today I'm going to do drum lessons. The lesson number one is always about how to set the drum. So as you can see here, we've already set up the bass drum and the snare drum, so they are always the first things to set. Then we come and set the floor tom. As you can see, this is how we are setting it. So you make sure you've tightened up very well. Then the next thing is the toms, tom 1 and tom 2. So we'll start with the tom 1, which is the smallest tom. So we do like this. You put it on your left side. Yes, you do it like this. You make sure you've opened that thing that looks like a screw. Then when you've inserted it in, you tighten it up. Then we go to our next tom, which is tom 2. Yes, you open it like that, then you insert it like that. Then you tighten up as tighter as you can. Yes, then you make sure they are okay. Then our next thing is the hi-hats. We are going to set our hi-hats. You take the hi-hat stand. It's always on your left side, because you always use your left feet on the hi-hat. You open up like that. Then when this thing down here is out, you just pinch it like this. Then you insert it. There are some holes inside there. You insert them like that. Yeah, then we take this, there's a stand, yeah, that you take this thing, then you put it inside, because this one is where the lower part of the hi-hat lies. It lies on top of this black thing on my left hand. So you tighten up there. Then here is where you're going to put your lower, yeah, part of the hi-hat. They always come in one pair, which is the top one and the bottom one. Then you insert this one. It has got like a thing that looks like a screw. You open it like that, then you insert it. Then you step on the hi-hat stand a little bit. You step on it and you make sure you've tightened it up. You step on it a bit, then you tighten. Yeah, like that, then you tighten. Then when you step on it, it's supposed to move. Yeah, then our next thing is the crash. We're now supposed to set the crash. You tighten up the bottom part for it to be more stable. Yeah, like this. Then you lift this part like this. You tighten like that, so that when you are playing, it will not distract you. Then there's like a part up here you open for you to insert the crash symbol. You open like that, you take your crash, and then you insert it like that, then you tighten it like that, like that. Then you're good to go. You put it in the right position where it's supposed to be, like that. Then your drum is set. Then your chair, you make sure your chair is okay. It's okay. Take the sticks like that. Then you take your sticks, and then voila. You check, you make sure that you're comfortable, everything is in position. Yeah, like that, so that you can reach the toms and the cymbals. Well, then we can play. Terren, terren. 1 4. Cha, 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 cha.